Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time. Back with my real estate entrepreneur, Omar. How you doing, buddy?
Good. What's up, Michael? What's up, everybody?
I mean, it's a lot of fun. I actually want to talk to you about a deal I have going on. It's actually my first JV deal, and I'll
Good.
give you all the
Good.
numbers, let you ask questions, and
Yeah,
really poke
let's
at
go.
this. So, obviously, I've been looking to buy something for quite a while. I don't think I've done a deal in a year. Right? We did a bunch of flips. We did 56 flips and from I think late 18 to middle of 21. I thought the market went wacky. I didn't want to play. Market rolled over as expected. Still nothing makes sense to buy and hold. But I've let several people know in my market that I'm willing to joint venture if they find an opportunity that I like.
Okay.
Lots of wholesalers have been bringing me opportunities and they're still just stupid priced, just dumb, just dumb. And sure enough, there was an agent in Fresno, California, which is my buy box. And he found a property. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, like 1,400 square feet, listed at 269. I'm just trying to give you all the raw numbers. Listed at 269. ARV, if it was done right, it's 320, 330 even today. And again,
Okay.
remember, median for my market's like 420.
You
So
said
it's still-
330 median?
Yeah. No, median is 420. The after repair value of this is 330.
Oh,
So below the-
substantially under. Okay, good. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So below the median. Couple of things from the outside. It has a shake roof, which is in horrible shape. So it looks ugly, right?
Okay.
I hate shake roofs. However, it has something I have never seen in Fresno in my 21 years in this part of town. 4-car garage.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So
okay.
it was the person that built this home, had his family cars, but I guess he also had he was a car collector. So he has two-car garage on the property, right? They're connected
Okay.
under one massive roof.
Okay.
So my agent's been running the numbers, he's written lots of offers. He actually wrote it up at 203. Remember, it was listed at 269 and they took it.
203 and they took it.
And they took it. Yeah. 203.
Oh, that's okay. Great. That's phenomenal. Yeah. Okay.
So I've gone. Yeah. So it's roughly speaking, $130 under. Mm-hmm. So the shake roof, I have bids already in at 15 to 18 grand, somewhere in there, right? Because again, it's two large shake roofs. Because again, the garage is massive, and the house they're disconnected. As far as the inside, we're still working it out. We're definitely going to do countertops. We're definitely going to shower enclosure. It's really good shape. Probably do the windows, but I'm not sure. It depends on comps. We actually may not do the windows because it doesn't seem to be required. But we're probably 15 to 20 on the inside. So let's call it 40K all in.
It's a good number. Okay.
So we're at 243, 245, something like that. Let's call it 250 after closing costs and all of that. So those are kind of the numbers. And this is what I've worked out. And again, I'm willing to do this with others if the numbers make sense. So I'm the money. They're the effort, right? The PM and all of this. Right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to make 10% on my money first.
Okay. Right? So all of it.
I'm all of it. So let's call it 250.
Okay.
Right. So I'm going to make 10% of my money monthly.
25K.
Right. Yeah. So
monthly.
No. Sorry. So like whatever the payment is, right? Whatever 10% interest payment is. So I don't know what that is.
Okay.
So then that times 6. So a couple, I'm going to make better than a bank, right? That's basically, I got this capital sitting because of an ADU that I'm going to use.
Okay.
And I'm going to make 10% on 10% interest on my money.
Okay.
Then what we're going to do is after selling it, full auditing, I'm going to split the profits 50-50.
Okay.
Right. So this is a JV deal as far as the exit. I'm buying this in one of my LLCs. I'll give them a full audit. They're not on title. None of that stuff. It's just a handshake agreement, which they'll be paid out of escrow. So, and then the last thing is, I think this has to go FHA. So there's that 90-day seasoning rule.
Yeah.
So what I'm planning to do today, Omar, is get the roof done immediately because we are heading into winter. So I want the roof to be watertight. And then I think I'm going to slow roll the remodels because if I close November 1st, I can't really list till February 1st. Is that right?
November 1st, December 1st, January 1st. Yeah.
So February 2nd,
February
whatever.
1st. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what I'm thinking about doing. Ask questions, poke holes. Tell me what's
Yeah.
going on.
Okay, I like this. All right, so I like the JV deal. So you're looking at a 250 all in,
Right.
and let's say is this 330 conservative or 320 conservative?
Yeah, 320, like 319, 329. I think it's the 4-car garage that sells this all day long. Yes.
100%. So you're probably looking at let's call it a $70,000 profit, and I'm being conservative there as well. That you're selling it for 320. 330 if you get it, and then costs and stuff like that. So let's just call it 60K.
Yep.
So $60,000, you're making $30,000, right? Half of that profit. Plus you're making 10% on your money of the 250.
Yeah, I get that first. Yep.
Get that first. Obviously, that's the interest. So let's just say there's a holding cost of 6 months.
Yeah,
That's
so it's
going to
like
be about
12,000.
Yeah.
Yeah, $1,250, I think. No.
Of 6 months? No.
No,
It's
you're right.
$2,000 a month that you're charging him. Okay.
Yep.
That's what you're making. $2,000 a month just for interest. Okay. Did the numbers. $12,500 in 6 months.
Yep.
So
there you go.
you're at $12,500 in 6 months. You're making $30,000 based on a $60,000 profit. Now you're looking at $42,500 on your 250K that you only lent money, but you secured the 50% from his efforts.
Yep.
He's ecstatic because he doesn't have to come out of pocket anything, and he himself can go make a $30,000 check and get that process going. Now, my question to you is: has this person flipped a lot of houses?
Yeah, he and I have worked together. We've done. He was a wholesaler that fed me 3 or 4 deals in the past. So yeah, we've done work together, but never a JV.
Good. Okay. So if he's wholesaled you properties is one thing. Now I'm being devil's advocate here. Does he have a crew? Does he have the stuff set up?
My crew. It's all my people.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. Okay. So he's just going to PM it, make sure, but it's all my people that I did the 56.
You're securing. Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
That makes more sense because I was like, okay, Michael, you're giving this guy's money and you don't even know where it's going. Okay.
I know.
So you're controlling it.
Yeah. He's just going to PM it from afar, check the dates, make sure people do the work, make sure the project's clean, just all of that little stuff. Yeah.
Got it. You're not going to be attached. He is, but you're going to still,
my team, my crew, my colors. Yeah.
Got it. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. This is an absolute win. I mean, and if you just do the math, what is that? $42,000 divided by 250K. That gives you a 16%?
In 6 months. So it's like a 32% annualized.
Annually, yeah. It's 32% annualized. Yeah. Where are you going to get that? Nowhere?
Yeah. Yeah. And again, I always want, I said I wouldn't flip anymore. The worst case scenario here is I can't sell it. Let's say we don't sell it by April or even March 15th. Let's say March 15th. It's not in escrow. I just take it off the market, stick a tenant in because it's all my debt, right? It's all on me. I go get a 50% loan and get half my money back. And we just keep it as a long-term rental. That's I always plan for the worst. That's my worst case.
Okay. So next question. Is you're going to be the beneficiary, obviously, right? Or are you half on title?
No, it's all me. No, he's going to trust me to pay him on the back end. I would never put somebody else on title with me.
Perfect. Okay. I was like, okay, Michael, you're running the show. He's just doing the labor.
He's the labor. He's the finder's fee. And again, I'm willing to do these things, but I'm not willing to risk what I've built over the years. Nobody else is on title. No, it's all my, no.
100%. Okay. No.
If I screw this individual, he can obviously ruin my reputation, which obviously I wouldn't do for a couple of dollars. But that's his protection. The fact that I value my reputation. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. No, this makes sense, man. This is good. I like the 330 ARV. You're buying it well, $130 under. This is a great spread. And it gives you the ability to go create that 38% or 35% return.
And there's 2 things about this property that I like first off, it has something. The reason I really like this deal it's because of the 4-car garage.
Yeah.
When I list
you
this,
said it like 5 times.
it'll be the only property below the median with a 4-car garage.
Oh, you'll get an upswing. You'll get more
Yeah.
people wanting this house.
Yeah, because again, you'll have 1,000 people that are looking for a home, but there'll be 100 people that want a 4-car garage that never thought they could.
Yep.
I'll be the only game in town. Market it right. You might get competitive bids. Who knows?
And at 330, if we're under, you know,
Dude, it's
you
10
might
grand, 3.5% down, right? It's 10, 11,000 bucks for an FHA loan.
easy,
Yeah, easy.
easy
Yeah.
breezy. This is cool. I like this.
Yeah.
I
So
like
it has
this a
something
lot.
unique. The reason I said yes to this is because of that, because it will, when I'm done with it, it won't be cookie cutter like everything. It won't be another 3-1 or another 3-2 or shoot another
Right.
4-2. It's a 3-1 with a detached 4-car garage.
Dude, that's hard, man. I mean, even just to build a 4-car garage right now is about 70,000.
Oh, easy. Yeah. Easy. Yeah.
And you're buying the house for 203. Come on.
Yeah.
Like,
So
let's go. That's cool. I love this.
Yeah. So again, I'm JVing a deal. If you're in Fresno, you want to be a part of this, I'm willing to do this. But again, you know, go back and watch this video. I'm not going to change who I am. You're not going on title, but we can do things, finder's fees, man, whatever. I'm willing to do deals. I have capital. I have access to a lot more capital. I think what we are heading into is a market. This seller wanted out. If this person was willing to list or wait, they probably could have gotten more. We got a $70,000 discount just because they wanted to be out.
Hey, you know how many people are going to be like that, Michael, right now?
It's going to be some, that's for sure. Yeah. So again, I'm excited about this. Omar does this for a living. He is my real estate entrepreneur. Where can people follow you?
Guys, follow me at Invest with Omar. We're going to start doing more breakdowns just like this right now. This is freaking awesome because it takes you from step A or step 1 to step 10 all the way through. This is cool. This is what I like to do. And this is awesome that you brought this to the equation. You brought this today, Michael, because I like taking deals apart, figuring it out, and then creating that ROI on my cash on cash return, just like you do. So that was pretty sweet.
Awesome. Thanks, buddy.
Yeah. Welcome.